Do you know that we all spend about a quarter of our lives sleeping, which is just as essential for us as food and water? To fulfill this need, we require a good mattress that can protect us from numerous physical ailments. Do you know how mattresses are made in factories? If not, then come along with me without any delay and let's take a look. Here, you can see how mattresses are made in the factory. The most essential thing needed to make a mattress is foam. Different types of foam are used here to prepare the mattress. You can see one type of foam placed on a large table and another piece of foam is being placed on top of it. Let me tell you, mattresses are made by combining different types of foam. To join the two foam pieces together, glue is used, a special type of adhesive specifically meant for bonding foam pieces. The glue is taken and poured into a machine. Then, slowly, with the help of a spray machine, the glue is applied all over the foam pieces. Here, you can see that half of the pieces are being joined first. Similarly, glue is applied thoroughly on both sides and the foam pieces are joined together. To make it even stronger and more effective so that we can sleep soundly on it, a memory foam layer is also added here. Glue is used again to attach it to the other two pieces. The entire foam piece is coated well with glue and the third foam piece is firmly stuck on. Now, the basic structure of our mattress is ready. Next comes the cutting process. The mattress is taken to another machine. This machine cuts the mattress according to the size and shape we need. The length is measured and cut precisely. Once the mattress is cut and ready, they are gathered and each mattress is labeled with its type and dimensions. Now, the thick foam layer that you usually see on mattresses, which acts as a protective cover, is also measured. After measuring, it is cut to size. Let me tell you, mattresses are usually designed to be warm on one side and cool on the other. That's why two types of foam pieces are used here. You can see a slightly thicker foam piece which is placed on the top side for use in winter and a thinner piece for summer. After measuring, this is also cut and prepared. Now, both fabrics are ready. The next step is to give the mattress its final look. For this, the three joint foam pieces are taken first along with the side foam that goes around the edges of the mattress. This is measured to determine how much foam is needed. After cutting, the process of stitching begins. Once it's stitched well, the company's logo is printed on it. Then, it's time to attach it. Here, you can see the workers lifting it and fitting it neatly around the mattress. After fitting, a generous amount of glue is applied again. Then, the fabric is placed on top. First, the thinner fabric you saw earlier is attached. Here, you can see the stitching machine, which is used to sew the mattress. The machine is rotated and the workers stitch the mattress firmly. You can see the thin white pipes here. These are used to join the entire mattress. One side is already joined and now it's time to stitch the other side. No glue is used on this side, only the fabric is stitched neatly. Now, our mattress is perfectly stitched and ready. The machine is removed and the threads are cut. Next comes the packaging. A large plastic sheet is taken and the mattress is placed inside it to ensure it remains clean until it reaches your home. You'll receive a brand new, spotless mattress so that as soon as you lie down on it, you can fall asleep and all your fatigue melts away.